Suffocation. Suffocation refers to the exclusion of the air from the lungs from means other than compression of neck, such as through entrapment in an airtight enclosure with inadequate oxygen in the environment. It is the most common term used for death associated with reduced availability of oxygen as well as in cases where other non-toxic irrespirable gases are encountered. Suffocation is cause of death, like kulang siya sa iyang oxygen nga gina-inhale or kanang naini attempt niya to kill ug dili siya tagaan og oxygen or dili siya paginhawaon para siya death. Smothering. Smothering is the mechanical obstruction of the external airways, mouth and or nostrils by an object such as hand, pillow, duct tape, or plastic bag. This requires at least the partial obstruction of both the nasal cavities and the mouth or the upper airways. Smothering is killing someone pinaagi sa pagcover sa ilong ba og like unlan, tape or uban pang mga kanang mga gamit nga or mga habol para di makaginhawa ang victim or ang usa ka person.
Compression. Chest compression is the mechanical imitation of the expansion of the lungs by compressing the torso, hence interfering with breathing. Compressive asphyxia occurs with the chest or abdomen is compressed posteriorly, thereby pretending cardiorespiratory function. Choking. Choking involves the obstruction of the larynx by food, vomit, blood, or other foreign bodies. This sometimes happens with a large bolus of food material becomes lodged in the opening of the pharynx or larynx, making the victim gag and unable to inhale or exhale. So, choking is to check or block normal breathing of by compressing or obstructing by poisoning or adulterating.
Strangulation. Strangulation is a violent form of death that occurs when mechanical pressure is applied to the neck by means of ligator strangulation, or by utilizing only the hands, or manual strangulation. Kaning strangulation is kana bitong kanang gigamitan og force nga nakay kauban, like kana bitong gituok ka pamaagi ani di. Mo nay strangulation kanang gituok ka nga naay makita nga sa imong liog nga kanang sign nga gituok ka with force na siya, mo na siya strangulation. Hanging refers to the situation where a victim's own body weight or part of their body weight causes a compressive force to be applied to the neck. Kaning hanging is most of it kana bitong mga nanggihikog nga ilaharang kaugalingon ang ilahang gipatay, tapos kanang nagamit sila og panampisi or maskin unsa pa dira nga pwedeng magamit para makabuhat sila aning hanging. Mao ni siya kaning mga kaning mga hikog bitaw, mao ni siya. Asphyxia death by hanging may come by any of these four means. Number 1, occlusion of the carotids and vertebral arteries. Number 2, the base of the tongue is pressed to the neck and upward inside the neck, including the nasopharynx. Number 3, direct laryngeal or tracheal damage and occlusion. And number 4, cervical fractures or drop or hanging causing brainstem injury. Drowning. Drowning refers to a form of death that occurs when atmospheric air is prevented from entering the lungs due to submersion of the body in water or other fluids. It is specialized through of asphasia in which environmental oxygen air is displaced by a liquid, usually water. Kaning drawing is mostly ani kaning nangalumos nga dili na bitaw sila like anang di kabalo mo langoy tapos kanang ang tubig bitaw is mapunta na sila hanglangs nga maglugos sa sila ginhawa mo ni kuan mo ni siya tawag ana niya drowning. The following are indicators that help determine the causes of drowning. Number 1, suicidal. Heavy articles or weight may be found in the pocket of clothing. Number 2, presence of suicidal note, strong reason to commit suicide, mentality of the person, previous attempts of suicide. Number 2, homicidal. Evidence of struggle, articles belonging to the assailants, presence of motive for the killing, presence of ligature on the hands or legs, presence of physical injuries which could not be self-inflicted, testimony of witnesses. Number 3, accidental. Absence of any mark of violence, condition and the situation of the victim before death, exclusion of homicidal or suicidal nature of drowning, testimony of witnesses. Number 4, natural death while in water. Presence of pre-existing cardiovascular disease, exacerbation of current condition due to the physical exertion of swimming or struggling. Number 5, injuries sustained while in water. Can be due to the waves or current against any kind of obstruction, contact with the rough bottom of a river or stony beach, damage from bale or ship's propeller. Hallucinogens. Hallucinogens are drugs that alter the perception of reality. They rarely cause toxicity sufficient enough to result in death, but may cause convulsion, respiratory depression, coma, hyperthermia, and seizure that may be prove fatal. Kaning hallucinogens is katuning mga nanggigamit og mga drugs like kuan katong mga nagagamit og mga drugs tapos di ba na may ini klase-klase nga kinds of drugs like mga medicines like katong mga medicines is katong makadaot silang lawas tapos kani mo nay magka-cause nila og kaning coma kanang ma-overdose bitaw tapos nasubraan na sila sa kadaghan nga giinom nang ma-overdose sila tapos naay possibility nga magka-coma or ma-seizure sila. That's all, thank you.